All right, guys, today we're talking about a phone that's shaking up the flagship game, the Honor Magic 8 Pro. This thing packs some wild specs, stunning design, and a battery so big you might forget where your charger is. The Magic 8 Pro looks premium from every angle. It's got that ultra-thin curved display with almost zero bezels, giving it a futuristic edge. The 6.8-inch OLED panel delivers crisp details, vibrant colors, and up to a 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through your feed. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM. Translation? Lightning fast performance, whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking. And Honor's optimized Magic OS 9 makes the whole experience feel buttery smooth. Now, the camera setup here is a showstopper. We're talking a massive 200 megapixel main sensor with advanced AI optimization. Low light shots look incredible, and that 50 megapixel telephoto lens delivers clean zoomed in details. Even the selfies are next level with a 32 megapixel front cam. And here's where it really flexes. A 7200 milliamp hour battery with 100 watts supercharging. That's hours of screen on time and just minutes to top up. You'll literally forget what low battery anxiety feels like. So, if you're tired of boring flagships that all look the same, the Honor Magic 8 Pro brings bold design, powerhouse specs, and insane battery life, all in one slick package. Would you switch to Honor in 2025? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily tech drops.